Coordinates 25 degrees 30 and 51 degrees 15, A, 25.500 degrees north 51.250 degrees east, 25.500, 51.250 Qatar. Arabic, Qatar. Local vernacular pronunciation. Officially the state of Qatar is a country located in Western Asia, occupying the small Qatar Peninsula on the northeastern coast of the Arabian Peninsula. Its sole land border is with neighboring Gulf Cooperation Council monarchy Saudi Arabia to the south, with the rest of its territory surrounded by the Persian Gulf. The Gulf of Bahrain, an inlet of the Persian Gulf, separates Qatar from nearby Bahrain. In early 2017, Qatar's total population was 2.6 million, 313,000 Qatari citizens and 2.3 million expatriates. Islam is the official religion of Qatar. In terms of income, the country has the third highest GDP per capita in the world and the sixth highest GNI per capita. Qatar is classified by the UN as a country of very high human development, having the third highest HDI in the Arab world after United Arab Emirates and Saudi Arabia. Qatar is a World Bank high-income economy, backed by the world's third-largest natural gas reserves and oil reserves. Qatar has been ruled by the House of Thani since Mohammed bin Thani signed a treaty with the British in 1868 that recognized its separate status. Following Ottoman rule, Qatar became a British protectorate in the early 20th century until gaining independence in 1971. In 2003, the constitution was overwhelmingly approved in a referendum, with almost 98% in favor. In the 21st century, Qatar emerged as a significant power in the Arab world both through its globally expanding media group, Al Jazeera Media Network, and reportedly supporting several rebel groups financially during the Arab Spring. For its size, Qatar wields disproportionate influence in the world and has been identified as a middle power. The FIFA World Cup 2022 will be held in Qatar, making it the first Muslim and Arab country to host the event. The 2030 Asian Games will be held in Qatar. Pliny the Elder, a Roman writer, documented the earliest account pertaining to the inhabitants of the peninsula around the mid-1st century AD, referring to them as the Qathare, a designation which may have derived from the name of a prominent local settlement. A century later, Ptolemy produced the first known map to depict the peninsula, referring to it as Qathara. The map also referenced a town named Qadra, to the east of the peninsula. The term Qathara was exclusively used until the 18th century, after which Qathara emerged as the most commonly recognized spelling. Eventually, after several variations Qatr, Qattar, and Guttur, the modern derivative Qatar was adopted as the country's name. In Standard Arabic, the name is pronounced, while in the local dialect it is. Human habitation of Qatar dates back to 50,000 years ago. Settlements and tools dating back to the Stone Age have been unearthed in the peninsula. Mesopotamian artifacts originating from the Ubaid period have been discovered in abandoned coastal settlements. Al-Daisa, a settlement located on the western coast of Qatar, is the most important Ubaid site in the country and is believed to have accommodated a small seasonal encampment. Kassite Babylonian material dating back to the 2nd millennium BC found in Al-Khor Islands attests to trade relations between the inhabitants of Qatar and the Kassites in modern-day Bahrain. Among the findings were 3 million crushed snail shells and Kassite potsherds. It has been suggested that Qatar is the earliest known site of shellfish dye production, owing to a Kassite purple dye industry which existed on the coast in 224 AD. The Sasanian Empire gained control over the territories surrounding the Persian Gulf. Qatar played a role in the commercial activity of the Sassanids, contributing at least two commodities, precious pearls and purple dye. Under the Sassanid reign, many of the inhabitants in eastern Arabia were introduced to Christianity following the eastward dispersal of the religion by Mesopotamian Christians. Monasteries were constructed and further settlements were founded during this era. During the latter part of the Christian era, Qatar comprised a region known as Beth Qatra. The region was not limited to Qatar. It also included Bahrain, Tarout Island, Al-Khat, and Al-Hassa. In 628, Muhammad sent a Muslim envoy to a ruler in eastern Arabia named Munzir ibn Sawar al-Tamimi and requested that he and his subjects accept Islam. Munzir obliged his request, and accordingly, most of the Arab tribes in the region converted to Islam. After the adoption of Islam, the Arabs led the Muslim conquest of Persia, which resulted in the fall of the Sasanian Empire. Qatar was described as a famous horse and camel breeding center during the Umayyad period. In the 8th century, it started benefiting from its commercially strategic position in the Persian Gulf and went on to become a center of pearl trading. Substantial development in the pearling industry around the Qatar